Welcome to this step-by-step guide to Absa Bank Forex booking. The process of booking a Forex transaction with Absa Bank is straightforward and can be completed in a few simple steps. First, you need to have an Absa Bank account and be registered for online banking or have access to the Absa Banking app. If you are not registered, you can visit the Absa Bank website or visit your nearest branch to register. To book a Forex transaction, log in to your online banking profile or open the Absa Banking app. Navigate to the Forex section, where you will find the option to book a Forex transaction. Select the currency you want to buy or sell and enter the amount. The system will then provide you with the current exchange rate and the total cost of the transaction. Next, select the type of transaction you want to book. Either a spot transaction or a forward transaction. A spot transaction is a transaction that is settled within 2 working days, while a forward transaction is a transaction that is settled at a later date. Once you have selected the type of transaction, you will need to provide some additional information, such as the purpose of the transaction and the beneficiary details. After providing all the required information, you will need to confirm the transaction and accept the terms and conditions. The final step is to pay for the transaction. You can do this by transferring funds from your Absa Bank account or by paying cash at your nearest Absa Bank branch. It is essential to note that Forex transactions are subject to exchange control regulations and you may need to provide additional documentation to comply with these regulations. In conclusion, booking a Forex transaction with Absa Bank is a simple process that can be completed online or through the Absa Banking app. By following these steps, you can easily book a Forex transaction and take advantage of competitive exchange rates. It is always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any Forex transactions, to ensure that you are making an informed decision.